Do you know what you're asking? You're asking for someone to take you on the most dangerous trail in Thailand. If it rains, the planks will be too slippery to turn back. And that high up, even your fear has nowhere to go.
You have to do something that makes you feel alive.
Okay, welcome to the ancient plank walk.
Take a deep breath. One foot in front of the other. Flip in. Flip out.
Clip in.
Flip out. Get back!
The longer that we wait, the weaker we get.
Deep breath.
Clip in.
Flip out.